In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Calendly time zone problem. Calendly is an excellent tool for scheduling meetings and appointments, but sometimes the time zone settings can be a bit tricky to navigate. Ensuring your time zone is set correctly is crucial, as it directly impacts when your appointments occur. Imagine the confusion of missing a meeting simply because the time zone was off. So, let's walk through the process to get it right. To begin, you need to set up your event details as you normally would. This includes selecting the type of event, its duration, the location, and, importantly, the time. Having these basics in place is essential because it lays the groundwork for ensuring the event runs smoothly. Now, once you have these initial settings configured, the next step is crucial for addressing the time zone issue. Look for the section titled Country or Time Zone. This is where the magic happens. Here, you have the ability to specify or correct the time zone to accurately reflect when the event should occur for both you and your guests. It's vital to pick the correct time zone, as this is what ensures that everyone involved is synchronized and no one shows up late or early because of a mismatched time setting. If you're planning an international meeting or connecting with people in different regions, double-checking the country or time zone is even more crucial to avoid any mix-ups. If you need to provide additional information or want to enhance your invitation details, there is a feature that might interest you. Look for the option labeled More Options. Clicking on this will expand additional fields where you can add further details about the meeting. This could include specifying a meeting agenda, listing important documents attendees might need, or highlighting any particular focus areas for the discussion. Once you've filled in all the necessary details and are satisfied with the setup, the final action to take is to click on Save Changes. That final click ensures everything you've set up, the event type, location, duration, time zone, and extra meeting details, is stored correctly. It's like securing the final piece of a puzzle. Saving your changes seals the deal and confirms that your meeting is ready to be shared with your invitees, free from the risk of any time zone confusion. By following these steps, you can rest assured that your meetings are scheduled at the correct times, minimizing any potential for miscommunication. Ensuring your time zone is set accurately is a small yet significant step in professional communication, and it leaves a positive impression on your clients or colleagues. Thanks for tuning into today's guide. If you need any further assistance or have other questions about using Calendly effectively, feel free to reach out. Happy scheduling!